Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, this is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher, and I am back with one more interesting topic of grammar. Today we are going to study about conditional sentences. So what is a conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a condition. Conditional sentences are made up of two clauses, one beginning with if and one main clause. The order of the clauses can change. There are generally four types of conditional sentences. They are zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Conditional sentences consist of two parts: the if clause, which is a condition, and the main clause, which is a result. For example, if it rains, we will cancel the trip. Now, if it rains is the if clause. And what is the result of it if it rains? We will cancel the trip. If introduces a condition, the main clause is the result of that condition. So, what happens in the main clause is conditional to what happens in the if clause. Now we can write the if clause in two ways. Here you can see it is written, if it rains, comma, we will cancel the trip. Now if the if clause is written in the starting, we use a comma to separate it from the main clause. The same sentence can be written in other way. If the if clause comes after the main clause, there is no comma before it. We do not use a comma if the if clause is after the main clause. When we talk about something that is likely to happen, we generally use the simple present tense in the if clause and future time in the main clause. This is the structure of writing the sentence in first conditional. If clause to be written in present simple and main clause to be written in simple future. Here is an example. If you study hard, now what is the result? You will get good marks. So here you can see the if clause is in simple present and the main clause is in future time. We can also use can and could in the main clause. How? Let's see. If you need my help, I can accompany you. Next, if they ask you, you could go with them. We can also use the present continuous tense or the present perfect tense in the if clause. Example, if we are having a party, we will need a bigger room. So we are having party is in present continuous tense. Second, if I have completed the project, I will come with you. So here have completed is the present perfect tense. Now you could clearly see that we can use if clause in simple present, in present continuous, and even in present perfect tense. So, these were the few examples of conditional sentences. Do watch the video Keep on learning, keep on revising.